Hello, Richard. Hey, so I thought from the photo that it was down in here. Do not break those lines. All right. It is back up in here. Okay, way back here. I couldn't tell from your photo without looking at an actual printer. So you got to go way back up in here, take your toner cartridge out, and this is the felt strip you need. Okay? So it's going to probably be all gummed up. That new old stuck toner cartridge I sent you, it's really confusing. They designed the thing that way. And I'm sure that when people put the damn thing in, they probably break those lines because that looks like exactly where it needs to go. My God. Okay, so I tried to describe looking straight back and down in. All right? I'm not mad or anything. It's just I'm pissed the way they designed this crap. Because that would be the natural place you try and put that, you know? And I've only done hundreds of these, and this is actually a new old stock printer, as you can see, that I'm working on for a customer currently. So I apologize. I'm not trying to cause breakage on printers by shipping new toner cartridges. As I say, section 4.5, the table gives you step-by-step instructions on how to install this stuff. Okay? I am trying my best to help people out. I just don't want to create chaos. So, it's bad enough UPS is charging a $50 brokerage fee to Canada. And God knows I don't want to break somebody's printer inadvertently by not describing exactly what they need to do based on photos. So hopefully that will help. Apologies, I'm not mad. I'm just trying to help. Okay? Here's another printer I have that I'm going to be working on. Okay, thanks.